Hello, this is Jessica. Welcome to Dive In, one of Rogers Public Library's summer reading programs. We have summer reading programs, prizes, and events for all ages. You can register online at rpl.readsquared.com and stay up to date by following our hashtags. Hashtag RPL makes waves, hashtag seafood, hashtag see you around. This year's summer reading theme is Oceans of Possibilities. So today, we are making a nautical keychain. Let's get started. The supplies needed for this craft are 1 keyring, 2 metal ends, 1 rope, this one is about 20 inches long, and a glue. This is what the end result will look like. So first we will go ahead and take our rope and our keyring, and we will insert the rope into the keyring, just like this. And then we will go ahead and lay it horizontally on a flat surface. Holding both ends together so they are even, we will sling down the ends, down to the left, just like this, as you can see. Next, we will go ahead and bring the cord up over the rope. Next, we will tuck it behind the rope. Then we will go ahead and insert into the empty space. And we will do a little pull. This is where you may go ahead and adjust the rope. We want a little bit higher, closer to the keyring, we'll just pull it up higher. Or if you want it just in the middle, you may adjust it accordingly. Next, we will go ahead and insert the metal ends. And if you'd like, you may go ahead and use the glue, remove the tape, and glue the ends. And here's our example with the glue already dried. Thank you for joining us for Dive In as we celebrate Oceans of Possibilities. You can join our summer reading programs by visiting rpl.readsquared.com. We hope to see you this summer at RPL.